Welcome back. Whether you're a beginner just learning the industry or an experienced polisher that's seen their share of almost everything, it's always exciting to see new products, equipment, and techniques. Today, we're going to show you Brandon Figge's method for removing coatings efficiently, safely, and with practically zero mess to clean up. Directly from the underground warehouse at BF Flooring Specialties, here's an introduction to the Hydroblaster.
It's a 40,000 PSI spin jet.
Okay.
The bar underneath, multiple nozzles that cuts anywhere from 10 to 40,000 PSI. It ranges. You're going to get your texture based on how it's nozzled and your gallons per minute. So the more gallons per minute, the rougher surface you're going to get. The less gallons per minute, the smoother surface you're going to get.
I gotcha. Okay.
So between that and the pressure, that's what's going to kind of, you get a lot of variations.
Right.
So that's what's kind of nice about it.
Okay, very cool. And so you've got the water that we saw outside in the tanks.
Right.
It's coming in through here.
It's high pressure. It's a 40,000 PSI hose.
Okay.
Or actually, this is a 60,000 PSI rated hose.
Okay.
It comes into this an air motor, spins a bar, and then we have a high pressure swivel in the middle that allows, and that's kind of the critical side of it. We get into a swivel that allows 40,000 pounds of pressure, but still allows it to spin.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's
So it spins that under here, and like you said, I mean, that was like razor blades. It's different rows.
that's correct. It's one row, and it's multiple nozzles.
Yeah.
And it all depends on, you can vary the speed of this as well to allow for, what it comes down to is your dwell time. So the more dwell time you have on each surface, obviously, it's similar to grinding.
Yeah.
You know, the more dwell time you have on it, you're going to create different surfaces.
And that's where you said the experience comes in. There's a lot of contractors that demo
There's a
stuff
lot
like
of
this.
contractors that come in and they don't understand it, they nozzle it incorrectly, and they end up blowing through concrete, and then they end up really having it. I mean, I've cut up stuff that's a 1/4 inch thick with the same machine.
Wow.
Or
So you can make a pretty big dip in the floor with something like this.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah.
Or if you don't.
Or if you don't want to, it can still happen. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Cool. So it feeds it through that, and then I mean, we're seeing this. This was literally just done. There's little drips, if that. I mean.
Yeah, and all that's from is actually.
Yeah, it was from the back. So really, I mean, you're talking no mess at all, and that's this is just an extremely high-powered vacuum system going on. 1,000 CFM.
Yep.
Okay. Here's the machine in real time so you can see just how efficiently it's removing the mastic. And one more time, but from a closer angle, so you can see just how clean the process is. Yeah, I mean, it's an incredible process.
Yeah, it
Very
really
cool.
does the trick. Yeah.
Very cool. Awesome. All right, cool. Well, thank you.
Definitely.
All right, we'll talk to you in a few.
Sounds good.
All right. Pretty cool piece of equipment, huh? Well, we're just getting started on the coating removal side of things. Next video, we'll dig deeper into coating removal equipment and tooling that's necessary to run an efficient, profitable business, as we chat with 4-star sponsor of ICPSC 2013, Edco, and one of their industry experts, Jason Stanchik. He'll even answer one of the top 5 questions of coating removal. Oh, and we haven't had an ICPSC 2013 seminar announcement in the past couple videos, so we'll have an exciting one for you in there as well. Be sure to click the next video to find out.